Michelle Roberts from the Infrastructure Health and Safety Association is going to come up and talk a little bit about Red Seal. I do want to share with you some information about the IHSA and their involvement, not only with Red Seal, but with PTTAC. Part of our mission is to get out and speak and be involved and talk to community and talk to other industry professionals and groups. And without a doubt, in Ontario, the IHSA has supplied with us many opportunities to get out to different communities right across the province, out to different organizations to spread the word, not only about PTTAC, but road safety and what we're all trying to accomplish. So, Michelle, for that, PTTAC is so grateful, and thank you so much for hosting us today as well.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, Kim. And for those who have not met, our President and CEO, Enzo Garitano, is at the back if you want to give a wave. He gives us the opportunity to be able to foster these partnerships and relationships. So thank you, Enzo. And thank you, PTTAC. I wanted just to spend a few minutes recognizing, obviously, the accomplishments of PTTAC and the leadership and the continued commitment to elevating commercial driver training nationwide. And as the mission states, the unified national voice in this area, PTTAC has been instrumental in advancing the safety and the harmonization of training standards and promoting the path forward for commercial driving as a Red Seal. And through its collaboration with industry, government, schools, associations, PTTAC has championed consistent instructor standards, strengthened training pathways, and improved oversight to enhancing training quality across provinces. A very loud voice that needs to come together, and I'm very proud to also sit on the PTTAC board. For those of you who aren't familiar with who IHSA is, I'm not going to spend a ton of time here, but we are a designated health and safety association for the province of Ontario, so our mandate is to serve Ontario workplaces. We have a vision: safe and healthy workplaces, free from incidents, injuries, illnesses, and fatalities. And our mission is to be Ontario's trusted health and safety resource for effective sector-specific engagement, education, and products and solutions. And so when we reflect back on our vision and mission, this is why we have such synergies with the activity of standardized training and competency skills base, because we know that that's going to contribute to safer and healthier workplaces, but also going to protect us as road users and the general public. Talking about, which we've heard about, the need to raise the profile of the profession and drive that pride behind it, that it is a skilled trade, which is obviously going to help with retention. It has been noted that the quality of the instructors, so those that are delivering the program, is very important. So I'm glad to hear future discussions on that coming up later today as well, because we know that the quality of what the student or the learner is going to experience is first and foremost of what experience they get in the classroom or behind the wheel, and that comes down to the instructor or the facilitator. So that piece is certainly important. And then it's already been mentioned, and I'm sure it's going to come up today later on with the insurance panel. Obviously, having standards allows us to do risk assessments a little differently, and recognizing that predictable minimum level of competency and skill that a driver should have. So that's going to benefit as well. And then lastly, we talked a little bit about the importance of the mobility. Recognition from province to province allows us to transfer those skills, but as motorists and users of public road systems, we would know and have confidence when we go into other provinces as well, that hopefully those behind the wheel have all been trained to a similar standard. And that reduces the variability. When you've got a Red Seal standard, we know that hopefully it's going to encourage maybe less onboarding delays or orientation, so we'll support the retention and the recruitment process. And certainly we want to strengthen our economy, so having skilled workers will support that across all sectors.